Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane. Appreciate you stopping by and joining me for another stock pick of the day. Today we're going to cover Huntington Bank. And before we get started, I wanted to thank everyone for liking and commenting on the videos who has. And special shout out to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much. The channel doesn't grow without you. Appreciate it. It only takes you a second. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are updated whenever we post new content. With that said, let's get right into the video. As we said, we're going to cover Huntington Bank shares, ticker HBAN. As a close of business on March 28th, $15.09. It was down 1.69% on the day. Looks like it's flat so far in the after hours. 52-week range, a low of $13.01, a high of $17.79. It's about mid-range. So if you can watch it and maybe get it closer to this 1301, actually it looks like if you watched it today, you may have been able to get it a little bit below $15 per share at times throughout the day. A beta of 1.24, which means it's a little more volatile than the overall market. A 1 is equal to the market. Anything below a 1 is less volatile. Anything above a 1 is more volatile. Market cap of $21.802 billion. It does have a forward dividend of 62 cents, and that's per quarter. So to divide by 4, that'll tell you what you're going to get paid out each dividend payout. 4.1% yield. So the dividend yield is attractive at 4.1%. In my opinion, anything over 3 is very nice. I think the market average is about 1.6. And an ex-dividend date of March 17th. So we're a little bit beyond the March 17th date. So if you were to buy it now, you would not get the next dividend payout. And Yahoo Finance, where I get this information from, I'm not affiliated with Yahoo Finance, just where I pull the data from, has a 1-year estimated target date of $17.91. So it does speak to some appreciation. And with that said, let's look to see what some of the analysts have to say. So again, Huntington Bank shares, ticker HBAN, is in the financial sector. As you can see here, according to 25 stock analysts who have looked at this, they estimate a low of $16.67, which is higher than what it is now. So that speaks to a 10.47% increase and an average of $18.26, so 21% upside, and a high, as you can see, of $21, which would be a 39.17% upside in stock price. And you'd be getting that 4% dividend yield while you waited for this to run up, obviously. And this information was brought to you by stockanalysis.com. Again, not affiliated, just where I pull the data from. So if you want to, and the reason I put that on here, guys, if you wanted to look up some of this information for yourself, for stocks you're interested in, something that I'm not covering, this would be where I would recommend you go. There's other places, obviously, a lot of places online you can look, but these two I find pretty good data. So I like them and I'm going to share them. And with that said, guys, that's the end of this video. I appreciate you stopping by. As always, appreciate you stopping in. You haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Hey, and if you don't like it, guys, hit the thumbs down button. You know, I know not everyone's gonna like the content I put out, but for those of you that do, I do appreciate it. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions and opinions. If you have topics you wanted to discuss, or hey, drop some stocks down below, dividend stocks down below you want me to do a quick review on. I'd love to hear what you guys are thinking, what's going on with your portfolio. With that said, this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, we'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion and investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can lose money and should never invest any amount you're not comfortable losing. Always do your own research and invest based on your situation, circumstances, and selected criteria, or seek the advice and counsel of a certified financial advisor.